You guys just heard the story called Mouse Paint, okay? Alright, so it was about the primary colors and how they make secondary colors, and also about a cute little mouse. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to make our own clay mouse, okay? And see, we're going to have a, the finished one will have a tail. This one's practice, because we do the practice first, okay? So we're going to use the modeling clay. Alright, so, and I have different colors of modeling clay. Okay, now this modeling clay, it is man-made, so it's very oily, and you're gonna feel, your hands are gonna feel like they're oily afterwards, but we're gonna make sure you wipe off the table, and then you also wash your hands at the sink. Okay, so with the modeling clay, when you get it, make sure you're doing the right thing and not playing with it or bouncing on the table or throwing it in the air, or you're gonna end up losing it, okay? All right, so when we talk about a mouse, it's not flat, it's three-dimensional. When something's not flat in art, it's called a form. Okay, all right, so when you get your modeling clay, guys, you're going to roll it on the table, okay, or you can roll it in between your hands. Oops, I forgot a step. Okay, let's back that up. I forgot a step. You got to warm this up, guys. Since this is modeling clay, it's going to be kind of hard and tough, so you want to roll it, squeeze it in your hands to warm it up, okay? Once you warm it up, guys, you're going to roll it on the table, okay? So roll it out on the table, and then you're going to make a 3D sphere, okay? And so this is not flat, it's a sphere. Okay, now this is a little bit hard. You're going to use this part of the palm of your hand, and you're going to roll it back and forth on the table, and you're going to change it into a cone, okay? So it's going to have a longer point to it, okay? It's just like on the mouse's, it's going to make this part of the mouse, okay? And then the actual nose and head of the mouse. So when you roll it, you're going to press down, and you're going to have to press down a little bit harder on one side, and you're going to roll it back and forth on the table, and then you're going to make a cone, okay? Alright, so now you're going to pinch. You're going to use your thumb and your pointer finger, and you're going to pinch closer to the point of the cone, not all the way back here. This whole thing is not going to be the head, okay? That's going to be the mouse's body, the whole entire thing. But closer to the point, you're going to pinch once, and then you're going to pinch on the side twice. And then on the bottom, you're going to pinch your legs. Okay, you're going to pinch 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so your mouse should be able to stand up on its own. Okay, then you're going to use the loop tool. You're going to get one of these, and then you're going to add details like your eyes, your nose, and your whiskers. Okay, and you can even add a little mouth. Okay, if you want to, you can press in and actually make it look like there's some texture, that it's furry. You can add some little claws for its feet. Okay, and then in the back we're going to poke a hole, because that's for the tail, okay? So you want to make a hole for the back, because in your practice one, it's not going to have a tail, but we are going to add a tail on your real one next, after it's been fired, and when we paint it, it'll have a tail on it, okay? Alright, and then I would like you to try to practice writing your name. Okay, if you're having a hard time doing on the earth clay, I'll do it for you, okay? And then make sure you write your first grade and what your grade letter is. Okay, and then I want you to practice again. Try to make it 2 times. Okay, practice 2 times. Okay, and that's it.